What's up, YouTube? Back at it again with another YouTube video. This is a very special pair of shoes. I got these on Kijiji. I'm not usually someone who shops on Kijiji, but the Kyrie 2 is my favorite basketball shoe, so I had to secure this pair. Gonna throw them on foot here so you can see what they look like. Let's just get some information on the box right here. I believe this is called the Kyrie 2 Brotherhood. Very nice shoe, nice colorway. Gonna throw them on foot, of course. Let me know what you think of these. Check out the link in the description to buy Kyrie's on StockX. It's an affiliate marketing link. You might even be able to buy these for a pretty good deal. This is a pair I'm going to use for basketball, hopefully. Let's see how they look on foot. Finally have these on foot here. There will be a full review for these as soon as I can get on a basketball court. That might take some time though. They look especially good with the Scotch and Soda denim here. There's an affiliate marketing link to buy it on Amazon. It's in the description, so if you like the denim, definitely check it out. Quite nice sneakers. Check out the affiliate marketing links in the description if you like the shoes and the jeans. Thanks for watching the video. I love these. I'm very happy I got them on Kijiji. Goodbye.